When your impact wrench stops impacting, systematic diagnosis is essential. We'll walk through the key areas to check, starting with power sources and moving through mechanical components. First, check your power source. For cordless models, ensure the battery is fully charged and properly connected. A weak or loose battery connection is often the culprit behind poor performance. For pneumatic wrenches, verify your air supply. The air must be clean and should not exceed 90 psi. Excessive pressure can damage internal components, while insufficient pressure reduces impact force. A clogged air filter prevents adequate air pressure from reaching your tool. Compare your filter to a clean one. If it's dirty, like this example, it needs immediate replacement to restore proper airflow. Next, inspect the anvil and chuck for damage, wear, or debris. Look for cracks, worn edges, or metal shavings that could prevent proper socket engagement and impact transfer. For non-brushless tools, examine the motor brushes. Worn brushes appear shortened with rounded edges and may have carbon dust around them. Replace brushes when they're less than half their original length. Listen for air leaks, which indicate broken seals or poor lubrication. You'll hear hissing sounds during operation. Finally, if the tool feels hot, allow it to cool completely before further diagnosis to prevent damage and ensure accurate testing. Proper lubrication is the foundation of impact wrench maintenance. Regular lubrication ensures smooth operation and extends tool life significantly. For pneumatic impact wrenches, apply a few drops of oil directly into the air inlet before each use. This ensures proper lubrication of internal components. Avoid using thick motor oils as they can impede the rapid movement required for proper impact function. Lightweight oils flow better and provide optimal lubrication. The impact mechanism requires specific greasing of multiple components. Apply multi-purpose grease to the anvil, ball bearings, planetary gears, and main gears inside the hammer case. Regular greasing prevents wear and ensures smooth operation of the impact mechanism. Use high-quality, multi-purpose grease recommended by the manufacturer. Regular cleaning removes dust, dirt, and debris that accumulate during use. Clean your impact wrench after each use to maintain optimal performance. Use compressed air to blow out the interior, especially around the motor and gearbox areas. Avoid getting water near the motor during cleaning. Replace worn or damaged parts promptly to maintain performance. Common replacement parts include the anvil and motor brushes for non-brushless tools. Check for wear patterns on internal components. Replace the anvil if damaged, and replace motor brushes when they show significant wear in non-brushless models. Proper storage extends tool life significantly. Store your impact wrench indoors in a clean, dry place. For cordless models, always disconnect the battery before storage. Clean the air inlet filter weekly for pneumatic tools to ensure proper airflow. Regular maintenance prevents costly repairs and ensures reliable performance when you need it most.